Okay, morning everyone. Can you hear me? Am I audible to you guys? I guess yes. Oh, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I know you have presentation. I'm not going to take much time, so I'll just discuss a simple topic in short. Okay. So today I just want to discuss about triple DES as much short as I can. So this type of DES is mainly proposed after your DES algorithm. DES is your data encryption standard, and DES mainly uses your 56-bit keys to encrypt plain text. But the problem was that using the modern technologies, we can crack your DES algorithms. And to prevent this from happening, double DES and triple DES were introduced, which are like more secure than your original DES. So there are two types of DES. Your double DES mainly takes like 112 bit keys, and your triple DES mainly takes 168 bit keys. So there are two versions. Okay. So what happens in double two key DES, which is also known as your double key? In this process, it's like two instances of DES on same plain text. Okay, so in both instances means there are two rounds involved. In main DES there were 16, and here it's two rounds, and for every round two different keys will be used to encrypt the plain text. Then both keys are also required at the time of decryption. So what happens here? A 64-bit plain text goes to first your DES instance, then it is converted into another 64-bit middle text using the first key. This one is will be also 64-bit. Okay, and key is 56-bit long. So using 56-bit long, first it will convert 2 into a middle portion using the first DES. Okay. So after that, the output will be again given to your second instance. So this 64-bit plain text again goes to the second instance, where again it will be converted to another ciphertext using different keys. So two different keys are involved here. It's like one by one. So this double DES mainly uses your 112 key because but the security level is still it's 2 power 56 and not 2 power 11, and it's because in the middle portion means meet in the middle attack, which can be used to break through a double DES. Okay, even means the key are used 112, but it's still the security level you can count on like 256, like your normal DES. Okay, so next is your three key DES system or your triple DES system. So triple DES is more secure than your normal one. I mean second one. In two DES keys we use two keys, and in triple DES just remember the concept. It uses three keys. Okay, three keys. Different keys will be used in three different instances. Okay, so first we will just give a 64-bit plain text, then it will be converted into a ciphertext using the same DES process using key 1. Okay, then again we will decrypt the output of the first cipher using key 2. Okay, so after first we will use key 1 and the first DES to generate one cipher, then again we will reverse the cipher. That means we will decrypt it using a different key, not the same key. That's key 2. Then whatever output we will get, the same thing will be again encrypted using DES with the help of key 3. Okay. So the output of step 3, this 3 is your ciphertext. So decryption of ciphertext will be just a reverse process. So we can use the first key to decrypt using key 3. So first it just reverse, right? So first we will use key 3 to decrypt, then again we will encrypt it using key 2, and finally we will again use the key 1 to reverse it. So in encryption it's like encrypt, decrypt, encrypt, and in decryption process first we will decrypt, then encrypt, and then decrypt again. Okay, that's the two very simple thing. So I have also written the same processes. So the key strength for 3ds is 168 bit, because the key is 56 bit. Again we are using three keys, right? So the total length is 168 bit. Okay, so every key 1, key 2, key 3 is 56, three keys, so 168 bit. So don't just get confused with that one. So next, I won't go much. Okay, 2DS11. So next is international data algorithm, and I won't go for this one. So I'll just stop here because I know you have presentation. Okay. Anyways, so any confusion in triple DS? The main reason of triple DS is what? Your normal DS is not secure enough for your modern technologies, so they just modified the DES version. So if there were 16 rounds, here also 16 rounds for each DES. Remember, in a DES process we had like 16 rounds of things. So the process is same, but it's like three times we are doing DES, again with the help of different keys. So you can just think how complicated it can be. Your normal DES is already very complicated. That's why I just showed your simplified DES. So simplified DES was using a bit less number of keys like 8 bit and all. So DES was the same process with the help of 56 bits. And here again the three steps of DES, three instances of DES with the help of three different keys. So yeah, this is like more secure version of your DES. Any confusion here? But the thing is, remember last time I mentioned, if you use more keys and longer keys, your process will be slow. It's very secure, but it's slower process than your DES. Okay, so that's all for today. I don't want to take much time. You must be like a bit pressurized. Anyways, just stop sharing. Okay, you guys can just have your means preparation. Thank you.